clauses, concise and neat, skipping the grammar, keeping the beat. Once known as a hero, now a disgrace, disappearing without a trace. Unless stated otherwise, rules apply. Look me in the eye, look me in the eye. However hard we must attempt, no one is free, no one exempt. Where necessary, use a knife, cutting through the trouble and strife. While happy, she felt a doubt, wanting to scream and wanting to shout. Verbless clauses, concise and neat, skipping the grammar, keeping the beat. Once known as a hero, now a disgrace, disappearing without a trace. Unless stated otherwise, rules apply. Look me in the eye, look me in the eye. Delete subject B. Wow.